Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making tuna deviled eggs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are mayonnaise, paprika, parsley flakes. I have green scallions chopped, 1 teaspoon of mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, a 5-ounce can of albacore tuna, or you can use the tuna of your choice. And I already hard-boiled my eggs and separated the yolk. When you hard-boil your eggs, you want to boil water, add some salt, then add your eggs for 12 minutes. When you remove them, set them in a bowl of ice water for 5 minutes. The first thing we're going to do is begin to mash our yolks. Once you mash your yolks, we're going to add in some garlic powder, some ground black pepper, some onion powder, and I'm also going to add in our yellow mustard. Also to that, I'm going to add in some mayonnaise. Now guys, you can season yours the way that you like, and you can add whatever you would like to add. So now we're just going to go ahead and mix it together. Once you're done, we're going to go ahead and fill our eggs. Once you've filled your eggs, set them to the side. Now to our albacore tuna, I'm going to add in some ground black pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Remember guys, add the seasoning that you like and make your tuna the way that you like it. Now I'm also going to add in some mayonnaise. Now you can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to add it on top of your deviled eggs. Now we're going to sprinkle some paprika over top. And we're going to add some parsley flakes. And lastly, we're going to add some scallions. The scallions are going to be optional, guys. Okay guys, so here we have it, our tuna deviled eggs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?